Let's go, Micah. All right.
Go for it. Where? I don't even know where it is. Oh, okay. All right, ready, William?
Look where you're going. And scoot down, bud.
Ready? Your bunny hop and then go.
You ready? Nice! Wow! Best run yet!
That was pretty good, buddy.
Alright, ready? Oh, wait, no. Bring your hand.
He can sit on it and then hold if he wants to do that.
Oh, that'd probably be the right way to do it.
But he can do it any way he wants.
Okay, that's the ready?
It's like, and then up and down.
You got it, buddy. You're going. Look where you're going. Heads up.
Oh, nice!
Watch where you're going.
Nice! Alright! Holy cow!
Nice. Get your booty all the way in on it. Hey. There you go. Now hold. You got the handle? Are you ready?
Ready?
Set.
Good job.
You want to go again? Well, bunny hop.
I would say
Bend your knees.
Bend your knees.
There you go. Good job. Woohoo! Look at him. Wow, that was pretty good, William. Good job, buddy.
Put your feet up. I'll get you a push. Feet up. Up.
Ready? Sit back. Whoa!
look, he's going face down.
Oh my gosh. There you go. Woo! Kind of sideways and backwards and then.
Mike, you ready to snowboard?
Push her down. Just push her down. You're definitely not doing that on purpose. That's definitely crafty.
Target open?
Giant was open last night. I drove up there about 7 o'clock-ish, 6:30.
Okay.
That
Wow!
was pretty cool. See that? All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Get set. Go! Woo!
Look at you're in the trough.
All right, you ready? Me or no? Are you ready with me?
Uh-oh. Yeah, I'll push you.
If you're gonna ride with me, you gotta sit down.
There you go.
Go! Go! Micah did.
Watch where you're going.
Good job.
Snowboarding in the middle of